Yesterday I taught you first paragraph. Today I will teach you second paragraph. To see students, King has three questions. Yesterday I told you. So these three questions, many scholars came to into his court and they replied different answers. In this way, in the in reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable, study these things. I told you that some scholars told that king should prepare a timetable and act according to that timetable. In this way, only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time? Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him at a proper time. This was because of one man could find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. And some scholars, some courtiers advised to the king that he should have a council of ministers and act according to the advice of council of ministers. तो राजा के पास कुछ लोगों ने ये भी सलाह दिया कि जो है राजा को एक मंत्री परिषद रखनी चाहिए और उसी मंत्री परिषद की सलाह पे कोई भी काम करना चाहिए. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to the magician. And some scholars said, some people said that king, some said that if there is any urgent work, so then king should go to a magician for the help. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors, others said the priest, a few others choose the doctors, and yes, yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. और दूसरे प्रश्न के जवाब में कुछ लोगों का मानना था, कुछ लोगों का कहना था कि उनको काउंसलर के अनुसार ही काम करना चाहिए, और कुछ का कहना था कि इनको पुजारियों की सलाह माननी चाहिए, और कुछ लोगों का मानना था कि डॉक्टर के सलाह पे काम करना चाहिए, और कुछ लोगों का मानना था कि सैनिक की सलाह पे ही सारे काम करना चाहिए. इन दियर To the third question, some said science, others choose fighting, and yet others religious worship. और तीसरे क्वेश्चन के जवाब में कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि हमें साइंस के ऊपर भरोसा करना चाहिए, साइंस जिस तरीके से हमें बताए उस अनुसार काम करना चाहिए, और अदर्स रिलीजियस वर्शिप यानी कुछ धार्मिक पूजा, धार्मिक अनुष्ठान करके कोई काम का प्रारंभ करना चाहिए. As the answers to his question were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So in this way, king listened all the people, and he was not satisfied with the answer of these people, and he decided to go he decided to go a hermit, and because hermit is known for his wisdom, तो किंग इन लोगों के जवाब से संतुष्ट नहीं हुआ राजा, और वो अंत में ये निर्णय लेता है कि अब वह किसी संत या महात्मा के पास अपने प्रश्नों का जवाब जो है ढूंढने के लिए, पाने के लिए किसी साधु संत या महात्मा के पास जाएगा, और इन प्रश्नों का जवाब शायद ये साधु संत उसको दे पाए। The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. So the hermit was living in a forest alone. King went there, and he wore simple clothes, and before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard, and in this way he reached in the hut of hermit. So students, this is your second paragraph. We are meeting tomorrow. Next day I will teach you next paragraph. Thank you. Have a good day. Read your paragraphs 2 times, 3 times. If you have any hard word, to write the meanings of hard words that is difficult. You feel these words are difficult, so note down in your copy, and I will tell you what is the right meaning of that word. Thank you. Have a nice day.